Hello guys, good morning. Magluto tayo ng sinabawang isda. May kamatis at dahon ng kangkong guys. Wow, sarap. Yan guys. Dahon ng kangkong. May talong. Sarap. Sarap guys. Guys. Wow, yung isda ko. Sarap guys. Maano to, mataas na tong isda na to. Sinabawan. Yummy!